Okay, in this video, let us focus on another new problem. First and last digit given an integer n. Write a program to obtain the sum of first and last digit of this number. So, what they are saying is they are given a number. So that what they are asking is they want the sum of first digit as well as the sum of first digit as well as the sum of last digit. What is 1 plus 4? 5. Here, what is 1 plus 4? 5. And comes to here, 2 is the first digit and 3 is the last digit. So, what is the sum of 2 plus 3? It is 5. So, this is what they are asking. So, let us see the input format. First line containing an integer t, that is the total number of test cases. So, whatever the previous video we have seen, as in the same way they provided the input. So let us move and study about the problem. Then following t lines, each line contain an integer n. So first input is how many test cases, and next inputs are what are the each test case in single line. First line contains first test case, second line contains second test case, third line contains third test case. So very simple seems to be. So what is the output does they require? Display the sum of first and last digit of number. What are the number they have given? For that number, they're asking sum of first and last digit. So now let us try to code it. So first line, what do we have? Number of test cases. We just need to read that test cases value. T is equals to input is the function that you need to remember while reading the line, and I just need to convert it into integer so that I can perform operations on it. And next t lines, what do I need to do first? I need to read the input. So for reading repeatedly the input t times, I need to write a for loop for I in range of t. So this for loop will generate me, this for loop will iterate for me t number of times. For each time, what I need to do is I need to read n input, n value from the input. What is the n value that I need to, how do I read? By using input function, and by using input function, this data is read and it is saved in the form of string till here. But how do I need to save it? I need to save it as a integer, right? So I just converting it into integer. That's it. Then finally, what I want first digit as well as last digit. Let us say first digit is FD and last digit is LD. So let us assign how do we get those first and last digit. So let us think with how do we get this first and last digit. How do I get this 4 from this? So let me try to divide 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10. So let me try it here itself. Hash is the comment that I'm using for performing. In Python, hash indicates the comment so that these statements won't execute right now. So whenever you don't want to execute some lines, then you can use this hash comment. So now let us see from 1, 2, 3, 4. What I want to out 4. How do I go get that 4 out now? So whenever I divide this any number, whenever I divide any number by using 10, let me divide in integer. So whenever I divide any number by 10, then what do I got? I got remainder as this 1, 2, 3, and I got 4 as my modulo division. in my quotient, what do I got? I got 1, 2, 3, and the remaining 4 will got in the remainder. So what do I got is, I got 4 as my remainder and 1, 2, 3 as my quotient. So let us run and check what I am getting. When I am dividing this 1, 2, 3, 4 with 10. So when I divide 1, 2, 3, 4 with 10, what I am getting is whatever the quotient I have, that I am getting when I am dividing. So when dividing, we get quotient. But now I want to retrieve the last element. What is the last element? Where, how do I get this when dividing by 10? So I got this by dividing, I got the last element when dividing with the 10 by using modulo operation. What is this modulo operation will provide me? It provides me the remainder. So let us run and check. I'm getting 4 or not. So I'm getting 4. So now let us provide any other value and let me check. Does this providing the last digit 5 or not? Yeah, it is providing me the last digit 5. Now let us see how do we what is the remainder? Remainder is nothing but the last digit I am getting when dividing by using 10. You can observe, just observe any number. If I divide by using 10, do I get last digit as my remainder or not? You can observe so that I can have solution for last digit. So for last digit, how do I find is I can divide any number by 10. If I divide any number by 10, then the remainder what I got is the last digit. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 is just to test this test case. For general test case, what is the input? I have n. So I need to provide n. Now let us think, how do I got the first digit? How do I get the first digit? Now you can observe, how do I got the first digit? So let me do in this way. If I give you only one digit and if I divide it with 10 and let me find the remainder. I have only given one value, that is 5, and I am finding the remainder when dividing with 10. So let us see what is the value I got. I'm getting 5 only, right? If there is only one digit and if I find the remainder by dividing with 10, then what do I got? The same number, whatever the number that I'm giving, that I'm getting. So let us check with another also. True. So let us check with another value also. Let me give 9. So now just I am finding the remainder of that number when divided by 10. What I'm getting? The same number I'm getting. So what can I say is, I want, let me tell you that I have this number. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I just want to remove the last digit. And then I want to have 1, 2, 3. Then I just want to remove 3. And then I just want to remove 2. Then I need to find the first number. So in this way, I just want to find the first number. How is it possible? So to make it possible, how do I get this 1, 2, 3 from this 1, 2, 3, 4? So observe for this. and try to get a solution for this. I have this number and I want 1, 2, 3, 4 by eliminating the last number. So let us observe the above quotient and remainder by dividing with 10. So what I'm getting when I gonna divide a number with 10 quotient I need to get. So let me run and check what happened in the output. So I'm getting when I'm dividing a number with 10, then last number got removed. You can observe. Yeah, you can analyze it. The last number, whatever I got, is just removed when I'm dividing with 10. Whenever I'm dividing a number with 10, the last number got removed. So I need to remove last number. So I need to remove the last number. Till how much time? Till I need to get one digit only. Till one digit when I got, up to that moment of time, I need to remove the digits. So let me do this repeatedly. So I need to print again. So now whenever I do by operation, then what I got, then I got 1, 2, 3. From this 1, 2, 3, what can I do is I need to get 1, 2. For that, I again doing division 1, 2, 3 divided by 10. So let me say, let us see what do we got. Do we got 1, 2 as output? Yeah, I'm getting 1, 2 as output. So now from 1 to I just need again 1 as my output. For that I need to again divide it by 10. So let us see, do I get 1 as output? Yeah, I am getting 1 as my output. So let us print it again. I wish to print 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10 again, so that I can get everyone in line. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So here you can see, you can observe, I'm doing division. What I'm doing? Division. Do I repeat the same thing? Do I dividing a number, a variable number, multiple times? The same division is happening multiple times. You can observe here what I'm doing, the same thing happening multiple times. So in this case, what can I do? I can use any one of the loop. You can use while loop, for loop, or anything. Here, I try to use while loop. So now let us think how to solve it with while loop. So while, let us say I have number num variable. I have stored my number 1, 2, 3, 4 in variable num. And I have some condition in my while loop. And what I need to perform is, I just need each and every time what I just need to eliminate the last element each and every time. My number, I want to convert it into 1-bit elimination. So how do I eliminate? By using number by 10. By using number by 10, I am able to eliminate 1 bit each and every time. And now I want to assign it to number only. So it is done by using this step. Okay. Till how much duration? Till what condition I need to perform this case, sir? Till whenever I got a single number, whenever I encountered only one digit as my number. If my number is one digit, do I need to perform this again? I need to remove again the last digit? No need, right? I just need the first digit. Till I got the first digit, I removed all the digits after it. Do I need to again remove the first digit? No, I just require that first digit. So for that, till when I stop is whenever I got my number as only single digit, then I need to stop. So how do I identify the digit is only one digit, sir? You can identify by using remainder operation. So you can divide a number by 10 and find the remainder as same number. In that case, you can say that number is only a single digit. So in this way, you can find that. So let us print and see whether every time I'm getting removing the digit or not. Let us give another value so that we can observe 5, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want the first digit, that is 5. So let me run and check whether it is eliminating each and every time the last digit or not. You can see here, I think why we are not getting the output. Why we are not getting the output? Let us see the condition. Number mod 10, what it provides me the remainder. Number mod 10 will provide me the remainder, that is the last digit what it has. So double equals to that number. So let us analyze with the test case. I'm having this test case 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If I divide with the 10, then what do I get? 1 as my remainder. Is double equals to that number? Is 1 equals to this? No, the condition false, right? So we just need to put like a number mod 10 not equals to that number. So till when that number mod 10, that is remainder, is not equals to that number, up to that time I need to remove the last element. So first time 1 got removed, second time 2 got removed, third time 3 got removed, fourth time 4 got removed. In finally 5 as my last number as well as my first number. In that case, this gonna stops executing. That means number is double equals to that, right? But we are saying not equals to that, then we need to execute. In that case, it will stop. So let us run and check whether it is working in that way or not. Yeah, you can see first 1 got removed, then 2 got removed, then 3 got, then 4 got removed. In this way, we got removed all the last digits and found the first digit. That's it. In this way, we can find the first digit. Let's say number is this, then first digit FD is equals to this. Let's say number is this. Then how do we go after execution of all this? Then we can say first digit is equals to that number. Whatever the output we are getting, that number is the first digit. So let me remove all this printing statements. Okay, let me paste this code here. The same code, whatever I just wrote there, that I am pasting and providing the indentation. And here my number is what? N, right? So I just need to provide N as my number. That's it. I'm getting first digit as well as last digit. So finally what I need to print first digit plus last digit. That's it. So let us run and check. Do we execute it in the correct way? Do we solve the question in the correct way? We are getting a lot of outputs. Okay, here we are providing the another not needed print statement in nums while loop. So that's why we got that. Here you can check whatever the output we got and the output required was same. So now we can able to submit it. You can see the status code is correct. Yeah. You can even solve this in very simple way. You can even find the first digit and last digit in very simple way. If you use a string only, if you read the number as string format only, then you can perform this very easily. If you read the input as string, then how do you get the first digit? You can get the first digit by in which index the first digit was in the string. It is at 0th index. So it is at 0th index. So I can put n of 0. So how do we get the last digit, sir? We can get the last digit by n of -1 will provide us the last digit. Sir, actually the digits are is the digits which are present now is what strings, right? I just need the integer, then you can just convert it into integer. We can get the output as integers only. So now let us run and check whether I am getting. Yeah, you are getting this. So by using strings, you are solving very easily by taking the first digit as n of 0 as the first digit, n of -1 as the last digit. In this way, you can find the first digit and last digit by using strings very easily. By using numbers, you need to perform some more logic you have seen just before. So in this way, based on the logic that you can provide and implement by using code, by using that you are finding the first digit as well as the last digit. And finally, you're finding what are the output that is required and providing that output by using a print statement. In this way, we are solving this problem. I hope this video is understandable, and the first thing that you must need to do is must need to practice. Practice is the only goal to success, and learn this data structures and algorithms. I think this video is understandable to you. Must practice this. I must provide the problem link in the description. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Follow the playlist to improve your logical skills. Thanks for watching.